to show you our spelling trays. These are on our website, treasuresfromjennifer.com, and they are a great way for children to take a word, break it down into its sounds, and then blend them back together. We have them in 3 letters and 4 letters, and we'll have one for 5 letters as well available soon. And in its most basic use, you're going to use our alphabet coins to make a word. So let's do dog. The child places each letter into the pockets, touches them and says its sound, D-A-G, and blends it, dog. If you happen to have any objects in your house that match the word you're working with, you can match them to it. So now you have a dog and the word dog. This can be done with other ones such as cat. And then with the frog over here, we've already done it to do frog, frog. And he's sitting in a little bit of gelatin here, which is really nice for writing in. So if you also want to put a writing aspect, you can do that up here as well. A fun activity you can do with the tray is in combination with this PDF I offer for vowel practice. You'll take the postcard that goes with the page, which would be A, and on the A page, every word has an A in the middle. So give your child all of the letters that they will need to spell the word, and then have them go through the list, picking out the consonants they need to complete it. So if they're going to make the word mat, then they'll find all of those letters, and then they'll put it down here and go through the same at, mat, and then they'll write the letter into that spot. Another idea is to do word families, and you can display that. This is just using a postcard that I wrote on. And so I set it up with the ig and gave the child any letters that will make a word. Big, wig. And you can do this with ig, you can do it with at, and then you can come up with all the different letters that you would need for that word family. So now we're going to change out the vowel in the middle of the word and see what the word becomes. We can do at, hat. We can do it, hit, hut, and hot. So the spelling trays, letter coins, and PDF are all available on our website, treasuresfromjennifer.com.